Time to take the hex to the ceiling. Let's go to the window, to the walls. No, we're going to the ceilings right now with these hex lights. Oh yeah, here we go. We're bringing it up to the ceiling. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna make sure that we work ourselves around this post right here. So when we install it, we can mount it onto the ceiling without getting that post right there. So that's why we have to take the hex apart. We're going to install this. We're going to put this piece right here as far to the back as possible. And now I'm going to screw this into the wall right there. So hopefully we can do this one-handed. Maybe, I don't know. I'm going to see if I can hold this right here and hopefully be able to tighten this with the screwdriver right here. Oh my gosh, this is a balancing act. It's pretty crazy. All right, we're gonna try this. Oh wow, this is very challenging. I should have asked for help, but here we go. We're gonna try to attach this hex to the ceiling, not to the windows, not to the walls, but we're gonna attach it to the ceiling. Oh my gosh, I'm breaking my back. Okay, here we go. Screwdriver is not magnetic, so it's holding the screw right here. All right. My glasses are fogging up. We got this into the pivot point and we're gonna attach the screw right here and screw into our ceiling and be able to attach this light right here. Are we gonna be able to attach it? Oh yeah, we're making progress. The nice thing about these lights is they're pretty lightweight, so I can hold it like this and it's not too tiresome. But there we go. We attach one screw and we have mounted our light just like that. And then we'll attach another screw there and maybe one screw here to hold it together and we should be good. But yeah, you see how the lights are coming together? I need to do this with this hand over here and attach this screw right here and we should be able to see where the mounting point is for this other one. Hang on, I can't see because my glasses are fogging up. My glasses are totally fogged up. Okay, I don't have a mounting hole there. I don't have a mounting hole here. So each of these have mounting holes, but it's not in the right angle for me to see the mounting hole. It's like right over here. It's like hidden on this side. So we're gonna make it work. All right, here we go. I'm gonna get this screwdriver here and without really looking at it, I'm going to be able to mount this hole right here. Did I put it in the right area? Maybe. Oh yeah, I got it. See? You see how I got the screw in there right there? All right, we're gonna tighten it in right now. There we go. You see that screw right here? There we go. We're screwing it in. Here we go. Attaching the hex light. Here we go. Mounting on the ceiling, not the windows, not the walls, but the ceiling. We're installing our hex lights right there. All right, so that's screw number 2 right there. And that should be enough just to hold it up for now. But yeah. This is gonna be easy now that we have these two installed. Yeah, that's not really in all the way, but you can see that's how you install the hex light right here. Oh yeah.